Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Daniel, and I'll be presenting our current marketing and customer engagement strategy. This presentation will cover where we stand, the key trends shaping our market, and the initiatives we plan to implement to ensure continued growth. Let's start by discussing the major trends currently shaping the beauty and skincare market. First, we're seeing a significant shift towards organic and natural beauty products. More consumers are looking for clean ingredients and are willing to pay a premium for eco-friendly products. Second, the focus on sustainability is growing with customers expecting environmentally friendly packaging and sourcing. Lastly, the role of social media influencers continues to grow. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have become critical in shaping consumer behavior, particularly among younger demographics. Next, let's review our performance. Our key marketing channels include social media in store, promotion and influencers partnerships. Over the past quarter, we've seen an increase in website traffic by 25%, largely driven by our influencer campaigns and targets ads. Conversion rates have improved with a 15% growth. In sales from online promotion, we've also seen higher engagement on social media, with more customers actively sharing their experience with our products. Looking ahead, our marketing plan for the next quarter includes several exciting initiatives. First, we will be launching new social media campaigns that focus on sustainability and community engagement. We're also planning seasonal promotions such as back to school skincare, yeah, and campaign a holiday gift sets. Additionally, we'll be strengthening our influencer collaborations by working with micro influencer to expand our reach among younger consumer. Target understanding our customers is critical to our success. Our audience is primarily made up of women between the age of 25 and 45 with a strong interest in ethical and sustainable beauty products. Our customer feedback shows that they appreciate transparency in ingredient sourcing and are increasingly interested in eco-friendly packaging. Based on surveys, 90% of our customers will recommend our products to other, which is a testament to the quality and customer satisfaction we've achieved. Uh, in conclusion, we need to continue leveraging these market trends and customer insight to strengthen our marketing efforts. Our focus should be on expanding our digital presence, particularly through social media and influencer marketing, while continuing to offer eco-friendly products that resonate with our audience. Thank you for your time and I'm happy to take any question.